James Accommodation Technical Institute presents 2 weeks mega training. Are you ready to elevate your skills in electrical engineering? Then join our practical training
that would be starting on Monday, the 31st of August 2026.
Training course outlines includes 1. Solar and inverter installation. 2. Industrial control panel, which includes direct online panels, forward and reverse panels, star, delta panels. 3. CCTV camera installation. 4. Smart home automation. 5. Automatic changeover switches. 6. How to make fortune in electrical industry, which will serve as bonus. Training fee is 40,000 Naira with free accommodation.
Date is the 31st of August to the 11th of September 2026.
Time is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our address is displayed on the screen. You can also call us on 07038187748. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to boost your skills and career prospects. Come and become a master and a professional in the field of engineering.